Hello everyone, and welcome to today's reading. I hope that all is well. If you are new here, I am LeeApocrypha. Pleasure to meet you. If you're returning, welcome back, soul family. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. As always, not what wants to be heard, what needs to be heard, and let's see what needs to come through from the spirit guides that seek to help us become our greatest version. Okay, I heard pull from the top. We have justice in reverse. You may be going through a time that you feel misunderstood, taken for granted, taken advantage of. This may be literal justice in reverse, so maybe you're going through some kind of legalities or something with the law, or maybe somebody is suing, or there's something here in regards to that. This is very specific, but I heard restraining order. I'm seeing different scenarios, people who have thrown mud at your name legally, and now there is some kind of search or warrant, I don't know, something of that nature. Ace of Pentacles. I feel like this message is not going to be for everybody, but perhaps this may also be in regards to your finances, or perhaps some kind of legalities or something about a will. Maybe somebody thinks it's unfair. Maybe a past loved one left you more than them and they think they deserve more than you, or something of that sort. I'm also seeing this could be in the workplace, perhaps. Perhaps there's a lot going on and there are other people around you that are being treated more kindly and more lenient. That maybe your boss is more lenient with certain people. I'm seeing an unfair balance here. Yes, again, something about finances. Now I'm seeing a vehicle, okay? So maybe you sued somebody because of a crash, a car crash or something. Okay, or maybe you just received the payment for what this person owed you. I see a lot of cards came out. Let's see what flipped forward. We have the Nine of Wands and the King of Cups in reverse. Okay, what I'm seeing here with the Nine of Wands and the King of Cups in reverse is that you may be in an energy where you're kind of locked up, or you're kind of cooped up, or it's just there's been a lot of heavy burdens on you, especially if you're dealing with the law or something, whether you're guilty or you're innocent. I'm seeing that it is stressful, understandably. It's one of those things that's like innocent till proven guilty, but yet whatever you say will be used against you, or whatever you don't say will be used against you as well, is something that I'm seeing here. With the Knight of Cups, I feel like there's this energy where you feel alone, like you feel like you're not being understood in this situation. Your side is not being taken into consideration. Something that I think is very important, regardless if it's something that's going on in our life personally, or if it's going on at work, or in a relationship, or with family, or whatever the case is, it's important to hear all sides that are involved. You don't have to pick any sides. You just, be there listening and understanding that if you were not physically there in this situation, then you will never truly understand the, like what happened. If you can't see it, then you'll never truly know. Okay. The Chariot. Yes, so I'm seeing again something about a vehicle. Okay, now I'm getting another message. Perhaps somebody stole somebody's vehicle. I would really hope not, but I'm seeing something here. Maybe they kept the title to a vehicle that was given to you, or it was going to be given to you, or maybe you lent it to them. But there's something here about the title. For Wands in reverse. I'm also seeing there could potentially be like divorce or something here, a separation. So perhaps when it comes to these tangible physical items, it's been difficult, because if you are in this scenario of divorce, you know, separating everything, you know, making sure who gets what is what I'm seeing here. It can be very difficult, especially if both of you put into this thing, or maybe if you are a single mother or father, and your ex perhaps tried to take everything. I'm seeing a stay-at-home father or mother who, you know, maybe they're going through divorce, and because you didn't financially put in to purchase the home, or certain things like furniture or something, I'm seeing that this person's fighting for it because they put the physical work into it. But I'm seeing it's important to also recognize, you know, who's taking care of it, who's there. You know, it takes a lot of finding balance in order to in order to work with that, and cope with it, and stuff. That's a very specific message. Queen of Wands, Ten of Cups, Strength, and Seven of Wands. Okay, so this is another message. I feel like this reading today is really not going to be for the masses. It's definitely going to be for a very select few. There may be some energy here of a significant other going to somebody else, or perhaps there's this feeling of seeing somebody happier with somebody else. Maybe this is a fear, or this is something that you are currently going through. I see whatever it is that you are going through, know that you will get through it. Since this is a general reading, I cannot say for certain whether that is legally, you know, a positive thing, or whatever the case is. What I'm seeing here is to focus on what it is that is important to you. If you have any evidence, use whatever evidence that you may have. This can be a determining factor in something. And I'm seeing something again here with business. I don't know if a business partner fucked you over or something, but I'm definitely seeing something like that here, or a significant other partner. Perhaps it was somebody who you really thought, you know, you guys would go to the end of the world and back with, and things did not play out that way. Keep it moving, keep going, keep doing your best that you can do. I definitely see that there's a lot of energy of people trying to falsely accuse someone of something that they didn't do. I heard stay strong, you'll be okay. Never, never, ever, ever, ever admit to doing something that you didn't do, especially legally. Which, you know, it may make, it's common sense perhaps, yes, but
I'm seeing somebody is feeling really pressured to the point where they're like, well, fuck it, you know? And no, like, keep fighting it. If you are genuinely innocent, then keep fighting it. Never, ever admit to doing something that you did not do. If you did it, then admit it. But if you didn't, then don't get yourself in trouble over something that you don't deserve to be in trouble about because you didn't even fucking do. I heard lawyer. I heard good lawyer. So I'm not sure if you're looking for another lawyer or if you are struggling to pay a good lawyer or something. To be honest, I can't really speak on that. All I can say is if you need to get help paying for a lawyer or doing things like that, of course, communicate with them, let them know what's going on. If you win the case, then, you know, discuss the percentage of what they're going to keep. What I'm also seeing here is don't be afraid to crowdfund, to ask for help. Every little bit helps, but be financially stable. Okay, so many messages. Okay, with the Strength and the 7 of Wands, let's see here. It says builds towers or destroys stone walls, causes rough waters, find witches. Okay. Okay, I'm hearing like player cards, right? Let's see what else. This is very interesting type of reading. We have the Ace of Wands. I'm hearing, know that you are protected. Know that you are protected. Six of Swords. Yes, so I'm seeing potentially here that things will work out for the best, and the truth will come forward, is what I'm seeing. Six of Wands is definitely moving forward and into calmer waters. We have King of Wands and Three of Swords. Okay. There's this fear here. I'm seeing somebody, there is somebody around you potentially that may see you become successful or see you rise or see you like not letting something get to you. And I feel like this person has ulterior motives. And so they're around your energy to get what they can. I'm seeing be careful with your energy, be careful who's around you, because not everyone wants the best for you, and there are people who act like they're passionate for you, that they love you, that they want to see you succeed, but then when you become successful or you're working towards that or you win something, or you get a promotion or whatever the case is, like they're over here feeling backstabbed, which is not your fault. You didn't do anything wrong. It's just this person doesn't know how to deal with their emotions or their past. They have a lot of trauma, a lot of fears and doubts and anxiety, a lot of different things going on, but they are allowing it to be, they're not recognizing, they are not self-aware enough to realize that they are projecting their negative energies onto you or someone around you or whatever the case is here. Someone may feel backstabbed, and it's been hard for them to feel like they have some stability around them. We have Two of Swords and the Hanged Man in reverse. Yes. Okay, so
It's up to you to see things from whatever perspective that you need to or want to see things from. People are going to see things however they want to. All you can do is spit the facts. All you can do is be in the energy that you are. Do your best to explain certain things, but not everyone deserves your explanation. There are certain cases, certain situations that you need to detach yourself. I'm also seeing somebody who is in an abusive relationship or a marriage. Oh, hell no. If someone hurt your kids or something, hell no. I don't know what to say because I don't condone certain behaviors, but I don't know. I feel like if I had kids and someone touched them, they'd probably end up dead. So I don't know. I'm not saying that, okay? I'm just saying maybe that's a legality situation that one person in particular is in. But yeah, so that's just grotesque. That's just fucked up. I don't know what to say for that. I don't definitely distance yourself, and whoever is involved, like, distance yourselves from this person. Do what you have to do to protect yourself. I'm seeing someone who, this is a different message already, someone who needs protective services. Okay, I'm hearing for someone, this is very particular, very specific. If you are somebody who is the main caretaker of your child and you are separated from their other parent, mother or father, whoever it is, but you are the primary caretaker of this child, be aware, be cautious of who you are allowing to take care of this child. So for example, what I'm seeing here is somebody who is allowing the grandparents, perhaps your parents, to take the child home and maybe spend the night and spend time with them or go out or something. But this ex-partner or their other parent may be trying to take them. And if your parents don't understand everything that's going on, then they might be like, oh, okay, like, that's fine. I'm seeing be aware, be cautious. Now it's being brought to my awareness of an Amber Alert that happened. I don't remember when, but it was obviously the parent who abducted the child. So I'm guessing, again, this is a scenario where one parent doesn't allow the other one to see them. For whatever reason, I don't know. I'm not seeing into specifics of that, but yes, this is very specific. Not for everyone. Okay, again, the Two of Swords and the Hanged Man. Speak your truth. Be in your truth. Any evidence that you have, keep it close to you. Have copies of it. Whatever it is that you have to have, a safe, a fail-safe. I don't know. Some kind of backlog of information that can help your case. And seeing things from an open perspective. Don't be all doom and gloom because you're experiencing some kind of legalities or some kind of struggles. Everything in life is a lesson, even if you feel like, I don't deserve this. What is going on? I don't understand. Keep pushing through. Keep having faith. Keep doing the work that you're doing. Keep striving towards becoming your greatest version. But don't be afraid to protect yourself, your home, your family, your loved ones, your workplace. Don't be afraid to speak up and speak out against atrocities that are going on or unfairness. Okay. I'm hearing something
Now, this may not be for everybody, okay? But I'm hearing you will win. Don't worry. So, your guides are, you know, making sure that you are not self-sabotaging this or putting energy into making it worse. It's understandable. You're tired, you're exhausted, you're going through all this shit, you're being accused of something that you didn't do. So it's understandable, but don't lose yourself. Don't snap. Don't, you know, don't prove the case that they are trying to prove against you. You know what I mean? Remain in your power. Remain in your truth. You know the truth. Act on the truth. Be in the truth. And surround yourself with that. Okay, let me see if I can get one more. Again, very, very specific messages. It's not... This one. We have the King of Cups. Whoa, let's just pull this one. The Five of Wands in reverse. Okay. So again, I'm feeling somebody is afraid of some kind of backlash or some kind of like argumentative energy. I feel like if you're somebody who, for example, you have caught somebody doing something, whether it's your significant other or a family member doing something really atrocious or doing something really fucked up, or, you know, whatever the case is, I feel like it's important for you to be cautious, because I'm seeing this person can try to they will try to gaslight you and get people to understand their perspective, or make it seem like you're the one who cheated or who did something that they did. I'm seeing drugs being involved, so I'm definitely seeing that here. Maybe somebody has some paraphernalia and they're putting it on you so that way they can keep the child or something. I don't know. That's fucked up. Okay. Stay clean. Okay. I heard stay clean because they will test you. You will be tested. I'm seeing like a follicle test, okay? So follicle test will show more than like a piss test, for example. So I believe it might be like 3 months for a follicle test if you're clean within 3 months. I could be wrong, but I'm seeing like stay clean, get your shit together, make sure you're on your shit, and maintain that. You know, there's always a reason for certain things that are going on. This is a challenge, an obstacle that you are facing. If you're innocent, you don't deserve this, but this is something that is going on and you deserve better. But definitely check all your bases, make sure you're okay. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay. I hope that this message didn't resonate. I would not want anybody to have to be going through such shit, but if it does resonate, I hope that it brought some clarity or some perspective into your situation. I'm available for private readings if you are interested, and then we could definitely see more into, you know, certain things that could be done or what is happening. But yes, so justice will prevail, and sometimes it seems like it's really not, but don't cave in. Do not cave in. Do not say you did something that you didn't do. If you didn't do it, you didn't do it. Stick by that because you know the truth. Be in your truth. I'm seeing lie detector test as well. Like, don't be nervous. Don't be afraid. You know the truth, then there's nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to be worried about, okay? And again, any evidence you have, keep it safe. have copies. Make sure you give that directly, you know, to your lawyer. Whatever you have to do, make sure that that you are covering your ass. Okay. All right. I love you guys. Be careful out there. People can be fucked up. And yeah, so take care, and I hope to see you in the next reading, whatever that may be, whenever it may be. I saw 25 by the way, so 7 may be significant to you. 777. Someone might feel like a lucky break or something. All right, so I love you guys, gotta go, but yeah, take care. All right.